A folding electric bike with a 48V 12AH removable battery, front or full, shock absorbers, and a focus on portability and commuter convenience. Typical key specifications one would expect from a 48V 12AH setup include a nominal battery energy around 576 Wh, 48V x 12AH, which commonly translates to realistic ranges of roughly 20 to 40 miles depending on motor assist, rider weight, and terrain. The product titles mention absorbers, suggests front suspension or possibly rear shock units for comfort over bumps, and folding frames aim to reduce the bike's footprint for storage in apartments or car trunks. Expected onboard features include an LCD to monitor speed and battery level, a removable battery for off-bike charging, a mid or rear hub motor rated commonly in the 357-50W peak range for commuter use, and multi-speed gearing or pedal assist levels. Because I couldn't retrieve the live page, I can't report the exact customer rating or the seller's verified specs. If you'd like, I can try again to fetch the live listing, or you can share product text or screenshots and I'll revise the paragraph to match the page verbatim. Based on similar 48V 12AH folding e-bikes, buyers generally praise the convenience of a removable battery and foldability while calling out the usual trade-offs of weight. Folding e-bikes often feel heavy when folded, and the importance of checking frame welds, locking mechanisms, and battery certification. We share by links in description box.